Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to manage product preferences on Shein app. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to manage product preferences on Shein app. Maybe because you only want the products on your home page that you're looking for. If you're a male, you only want the products related to male. You don't want any female products. Or maybe if you're a female, you only want products related to your gender. Or there could be any other reason for you to manage the preferences on Shein account. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, you have to make sure you have already installed the Shein app, and if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store, App Store. And once the app gets installed, make sure you have already created your account on it. And right now, you're logged in with your account on your device. Once you're done with all these things, just simply tap on the icon of the Shein app to open it. Once the app gets open, you will see its interface. This is how the app looks. First, you will read it titles and few find options, and we have the search icon, some categories, and a lot of products. And at the bottom, we have some options as well. So here, as you can see right now, once we open the product, we are only getting products related to females. There are only female products. So if you're a male looking for your products, or maybe if you're looking for kids, you have to go to category. But you want these homepage products to be related to you. So in this video, we will see how you can add your preferences for your products on this Shein app. So for that, first what you have to do is that you just have to simply click on your profile icon, which is on the right bottom side of the screen, this one. Once you tap onto that option, you will land into your profile. There you will see bunch of options on your home screen, and you could also see we have some products which are related to females. If you're a female, then don't worry, you can manage preferences according to you, or if you're looking for the kids, you can go for it. First, you have to go to the settings icon. Once you tap onto the settings icon, you will land into settings. There you will find bunch of option. Every option here is different from each other and perform its own task. So here you have to click onto this option, which also has a barcode with it. So just simply tap onto that option, and then you will get into this option which says edit profile. There we have again some of the options. So here what you have to do is that you just have to simply click onto this second last option which says preferences. With the help of that option, you could easily make products related to you on this app. So just simply tap on it, and there you will get some options. First, you have to mention that what kind of products you are looking for. If you are looking for a male, female, kids, pets, you have to tell that. After that, you have to tell that to whom you're looking for, yourself, for your partner, for your kids, for your pet, for your family, or from your home. So there are multiple options, you can choose it. Otherwise, you have to define what kind of style you're looking for: basic, vintage, sporty, some fancy. There are multiple options available, you can choose multiple ones, and whatever you prefer, you can select that option. And once you have selected your preferences, just simply click on save. It will just take a while, and after that it will save it. So now whenever you open the app, this will show you products related to whatever you have selected as your preferences on this app. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can manage product preferences on Shein app. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.